Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Explore page on your TikTok website. So if you like to watch TikTok on the TikTok website and you want to know what this Explore page is all about, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first open up Google Chrome, navigate to tiktok.com. Here you need to make sure you're logged in to your TikTok account. So for example, this one here. Next, you want to go ahead and find the Explore page, which is right here at the left-hand side. Tap on this. So on TikTok, the Explore page is a section where users can browse a wide variety of videos, including those that are trending and those that the algorithm believes they might find interesting. So they act like a discovery tool for new content and creators. So here at the top, as you can see, they've all been categorized into different categories. So you have singing, dancing, comedy, sports, anime, comics, relationships, shows, lip syncs, daily life, and many more. So you can go ahead and browse through all of these different categories and find the content or the creators who would maybe interest you. This way you can basically find trending topics on the topics maybe you're creating videos about or in the topics that you're interested in. So there you go guys, that is how to use the Explore page on the TikTok website.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.